Hi everyone! It's been a while. I've been busy setting up several new studies and I will post about them in the upcoming weeks. Today I will tell you about a study that we just finished data collection for, and we're currently analyzing these data, so you'll have to stay tuned for the results. A couple of months ago I talked about open questions about learning, and one of them was whether collaboration helps students learn with visuals. My hypothesis was that explanation activities would lend themselves well to collaboration. So as a reminder, explanation activities are those where students explain mappings between visuals by relating them to the concepts they show. Collaboration may help students engage more actively in these explanations because students can help each other make sense of how the visuals show information. But for intuition activities, there are two competing theories. As a reminder, intuition activities ask students to inductively, so without thinking too hard, translate between visuals. On the one hand, collaboration may not be suitable for these intuition activities because students tend to talk when they collaborate. But intuition activities try to discourage verbal explaining because that can interfere with the acquisition of intuitive knowledge. On the other hand, when students collaborate, they also use gestures like pointing to direct each other's attention to relevant visual features. And that may actually help students learn perceptual intuitions about what the visuals show. In video number 29, I had talked about an initial study where we compared students working individually or collaboratively on intuition activities, and we found that, first of all, to my surprise, that students actually complied with our instruction not to talk. Second, we found that students got better, faster at solving the intuition activities if they collaborated. So now, we wanted to do a more formal study of whether collaboration helps students learn with visuals. The study was conducted as part of a large introductory chemistry course, and in week 5 of that course, students have a 3-hour lab session where they learn to translate between ball and stick models and wedge dash structures. So basically to translate a 3D visual into a 2D visual. The tasks they normally get in the lab are really explanation activities. So we added a 5-minute set of intuition activities. Now we asked half of the students to do the explanation activities using a shared model kit so that they would work collaboratively. The other half worked individually with their own model kit. Now I do have to say that some students still talk to each other. So the biggest difference was really whether students had a shared model kit or their individual model kit. And then we asked half of all students to do the intuition activities collaboratively, but using only gestures to communicate, so no talking. The other half worked individually on the intuition activities. And we assessed students' knowledge about the concepts covered in the activities before the class and then again after the class so that we can test the effects of collaboration on learning gains. We also collected video data of some volunteering students on how they interacted with the materials and with each other. And we will use the video data to see how collaboration affected their reasoning and also their communication. So as you can imagine, it'll take us quite some time to analyze all these data, but I will definitely keep you posted on what we find.